In this video, you are going to learn how to launch your community on Skool. If you are new to Skool, it's a community building platform where you can host your courses, engage with people, sell your products and services, and build this tribe around any topic that you want. So in this video, I'm gonna go to my screen and I'm gonna show you step by step how you can launch your community. And also I'm gonna give you a framework that will help you go from 0 members to first 100 community members, because it is very important that if you are launching a community, you are turning it profitable. Because I know a lot of people are launching community right now on Skool just to realize that they do not really have any member inside. So I'm gonna give you a strategy. I'm gonna go to my iPad screen. I'm gonna show you how you can do that. But before that, let me show you some of the successful examples of communities right now. And also right now I'm launching my own community. So it's a very good time to show you behind the scene and how it will actually look like when you launch yours. So the first community I wanted to show you is this one. That's a porn-free community. It is about helping men quit this addiction from Hunter Otis, and he is into one-to-one coaching. So this is a very successful model, and I have been observing this for a while. People who are into one-to-one coaching, they are launching their community and then they are inviting people for their one-to-one coaching service. Now another example is Adonis Gang, and this is from Hamza. He is one of the most successful creators in personal development niche, and this community is all about helping men grow personally and professionally. So people talk about business and personality development and all different kind of stuff. And the model that Hamza is using is very interesting. He's closing over $180,000 per month while I'm recording this video. So a very successful use case. He is bringing all these people into this free community, and then some people who want to grow further and who want to take their education to next level, they are upgrading to a premium price, which is a separate community. So this is another model that people are using. And another community that I can give you an example of is this one. It's called Manifestation. He is directly inviting people to a premium community, and it costs $49 per month. So you see, there are 3 different models of making money with your Skool community. I'm launching my community right now, and this is Conscious Entrepreneur Hub. You can see there are already people who have started joining in. So this is going to be a premium community where I will be personally coaching, and I will put the link in the description where you can actually go through and see what is inside. So you will have personal access to me. You can ask any doubts that you have. You can also connect with other people like you, and you can collaborate with them, grow with them. And also there will be a weekly coaching call that you can be a part of. Right now, I'm offering a free access if you use my referral link to start your Skool community. So you will have all the access that people will pay money for, and you can get all of it for free. All you need to do is click on the link in the description and join Skool with my referral link. Now coming back to the video, let me show you behind the scene of launching a community. So if you will go to withhimanshu.com/Skool, what is going to happen is it will take you to Skool sign up page, and the sign up page will look something like this. So you can see you are referred by, this is my name, and then you need to fill your first name, last name, email, password. This is necessary whether you want to join as a member or as a community admin. So this you will need. Now if you are launching a community, what you can do is you can go to create a community. Then if you are using my referral link, you need to make sure that you are seeing this you were referred by option, and then you need to add your group name. Okay, then you can add your card number and you can start free trial. So you get a 14 days of free trial. You can always cancel before 14 days and you do not need to pay anything. Now the next thing that I want to show you is how this actually looks like as a community manager. So there is the first section, which is community, where you can start the discussion, people can comment on it, you can create polls, and you can add videos, and you can also add links, and you can also select the categories. So these categories that you can create inside the setting tab. So if I'll go to categories, I have some categories for my community, and then you have this classroom option where you can create courses, and then you can unlock them based on the criteria. So for example, there is this course we have, niche tribe model, where I go step by step on how you can create a community, how you can monetize it. And if I go to edit course option, either I can unlock this course for anyone, or I can select only some members have access. I would select this option if I want to create a premium course. So I do not want anyone to have this access. I might charge something in the back end, maybe $100, $500, $1,000 for giving access to this specific course. But right now inside my community, I'm giving all of it for free. And then there is this calendar option where you can create new events for your community, and then people can see when this event is there. Now, another feature of this platform is leaderboard, which is my favorite feature. So what you can do is you can have these different labels, and these labels are based on how much people are engaging. So if people create a very valuable post inside the community and other people like it or other people comment on it, what's going to happen is people will get points, and based on the points they can unlock different labels, and you can choose on which level they will have access to which courses. So you see, there is a gamification integrated inside the platform, which makes community management much more fun, and it kind of gives people a healthy competition. So people will engage more and you will grow your community naturally. And then in the end, you have this about section where you can add a video explaining what your community is about. If you have any testimonials from the past, that you can add to it. And this will give people a fair idea of what they are going to get once they join the community. So this is a very simple platform, and one of the reasons I love Skool is because it's a minimalist platform. The entire focus is on things that matter and not into creating some Discord like channels where people get confused where to go and which channel they should be engaging in. And what happens when you build community in this way is you can focus on what matters. So launching a community on Skool is very simple. You sign up, you click on create a community, and then you fill simple details in setting option. You can start with this general tab where you can add a logo. There is a cover image that you can add. Then you can have this group name here, and then group description, the brand color, and then you can have this option either to make community private or you can make it public. If you are making it private, only some people will have access. If you are making it public, your community posts will show up on Google. So if you want to get more traffic to your community through Google, I would suggest to keep it public. Now you have option for adding subscription. So this community is going to be a paid one where people will pay $49 per month. I'm still testing on prices, but this is going to be a paid community. I have put the link in the description. So if you are using my referral code, make sure to comment, let me know so I can give access to this community to you. Then there are some categories that you can add, and then this is very interesting. So inside plugins section, you have membership questions. What you can start asking is what is their email address, why they want to join, and how did they find out about your community. Now this will give you some insight about whether they are the right fit for the community or not. A lot of people add bunch of people inside the community just to realize that nobody is interested to engage in. So you don't want to do that. You want to have people who really care about the topic, and that is the reason you want to filter out who are not really serious. And that is the reason I do not want to offer my community just like that. I share a lot of value inside, and I want people who value it. So I would encourage you to ask some membership questions. Now, if you want to automate your community management, you can add this Zapier integration, and then there is auto DM members. A lot of times strangers join your community, but they do not know where to start. So what you can do is you can DM people automatically as soon as they join. So you have kind of icebreaker with your newest community member, and you can start engaging with them. Then you have metrics where you can see how many people are engaging in, and then there is gamification where you can decide what you want to call level 1, level 2, and what kind of benefits people will unlock once they hit these levels. So this is the basic behind the scene of launching a Skool community. Now if you are still watching this video, let me congratulate you because you have better attention span than most of the people on the internet. And now also I want to give you a strategy that you can use to go from 0 to 100 community members on Skool. Now inside my hub, I have this 5 days challenge. That is the detailed version where I have shared different strategies for organically growing your community. So you do not need to pay any money for ads, and you can literally go from 0 to 100. So what I have done is I have created these 2 models, and depending on which stage of business you are in, you can choose one of them. First model is when you already have an audience on some social media platform. So let's say you have 10,000, 20,000, 100,000, or maybe million subscribers or million followers, then you can use this particular model. And then the second model that I'm going to explain is when you do not have any audience and you are starting completely from scratch, or you have been working with people one-to-one and now you want to scale it with community, there the second model is going to be useful. Okay, so the first model is you already have this audience right now, so you have some kind of filter. Let's say you are charging $49 a month. If you want to launch a free community, in that case you have these 3 questions that you are asking. So there is a little bit of filter here. Once people have paid this money, they join the community. Now here's the fun part. Your community is your central hub on the internet. So what is going to happen is, inside the community you will talk about your courses, you can offer them one-to-one coaching, or you have group coaching, or you have software, or you can have affiliate income. So this is where I call MSI, which is multiple sources of income. This is what you can unlock when you focus on building a community instead of just relying on YouTube or Facebook groups for it. So this is a very simple model for people who already have an audience. But what if you are starting completely from scratch and you have no audience at all, or you have no idea where to begin? In that case, I would suggest you to go for this simple framework. And I have been using it in other kind of businesses, but a lot of people are using it for community building and it's working really well. Currently, I'm also trying both of these models right now. So there is this model I'm trying with the audience that I already have, but I'm also implementing this specific model for the people who do not know me yet. So what I want you to do is, I want you to have this opt-in system. Okay. Now opt-in is a simple landing page where you are asking people to put their name and email, and in exchange you are giving them something for free. 10 minutes video, or it can be a free PDF. And once people sign up, you can send them to this thank you page. So people signed up for an ebook, or they got 10 minutes course on something specific, and what they are going to do is they will watch the video, and inside you will invite them to join your community. So they watch the video, you invited them to join the community, and then again the filter, or you can offer for free, and then they get enrolled inside the community. You can sell your courses, or you can have affiliate income, one-to-one coaching. This will work really well, especially if you are new to business, because you can close high ticket sales. And what else you can do is this. If you are using ConvertKit, for example, this is one of the tools that I recommend. I will put the link in the description. So ConvertKit is an email automation software that allows you to create opt-in page and thank you page, and at the same time email campaigns. So let's say people did not join your community in first go. What you can do is you can launch your email campaign and tell them more about the community moving forward. Let's say on day 1 you send some detail, on day 2 you send them some other information, on day 3 you invited them again to join your community. So what is going to happen is you are creating this follow-up system. So this is the model that you can use if you are running paid ads, or if you are organically promoting but people do not know you and you do not have enough credibility in the market. Now, if you are looking for personal support when you are launching your community, I would highly encourage you to join my community. What you are going to have is personal access to me, where you can ask questions. You can also connect with other like-minded people, grow much faster. All you need to do is use the referral code that I have shared in the description. I'll send you the access for free. So I hope you found this video useful. Let me know in the comment box if you have any questions around it, or if you have any doubts. If you are still watching this video, congratulations for being here. You are in top 1% of people. Most of the people have really messed up attention span, but you are still watching. So let me know in the comment box by typing 1% if you are still watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.